Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at the NYLO Las Colinas Hotel by Hilton. This is a part of the Tapestry Collection. As you see on the TV, they're welcoming me to the room. Welcome, Justin, Hilton Honors Diamond. Diamond status, getting me a $15 a day food and beverage credit, usable for breakfast. They have a breakfast buffet, $17. Good use of that $15 credit. See a big view of the room from the opposite side of this king bed. I'm at the 5th floor. You can see nightstands on both sides. Lots of plugs on the wall. Seems to be a newer hotel to have the USB and the ports built into the upper wall. View outside. Looks like there's an event, College of Arts and Sciences. 2 pools and some pool chairs. Fire pit outside. Trees, parking lot, parking garage. There are some restaurants within walking distance of the hotel. I went to a Japanese restaurant, had a $10 credit thanks to Built, and used that for $2 veggies and rice. See a large desk for laptop, phone, coffee maker, 2 bottles of water included, complimentary water, extra plugs on this side, some space for luggage on the bottom, shelving at the top, air conditioning unit on the wall, room safe, a red safe, and a closet next to the door to come in. See, the bathroom has a sliding privacy door, a little bit worn. You can see some of the scuff marks on the top from the door. Small bathroom, toilet on this side with some tissues, and a little shelf, perhaps for a phone, and a small sink area. There's a warning, I suppose. Objects in mirror are closer than they appear. Please pardon the sink. If I get very close to it, the hat is going to hit the mirror. It's a very little room to wash your hands, but just don't hit your head off of the mirror. No headbutting. The shower area looks like a rain shower fixture at the top. Shampoo and body wash built into the wall, conditioner, and it appears to be handicap accessible, at least with one item on the wall. Get a view of the room from the other side. See the view from the 5th floor, some of the highways nearby. I'm here for the Frequent Traveler University Conference, Dallas, May 1st through the 3rd, staying through the 4th. I'll have a few nights in this room, and towards the end of my reservation, they gave me an upgrade to a 1-bedroom suite, likely thanks to the Hilton Honors Diamond status. I'll be checking out of this room and recording one later of the King Suite, assuming that that reservation stands. Get another look of the bathroom and the king bed. Air conditioning unit on the wall as well, although the temperature control was on the other side. This unit is controlled by the wall-mounted thermostat. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from NYLO Las Colinas Hilton Tapestry Collection. Stay tuned for more content.